Opening shot of a computer screen with ChatGPT's logo on it. Have you ever wondered how chatbots and virtual assistants can communicate with humans so seamlessly? Well, the answer lies in artificial intelligence in natural language processing, and one of the most powerful tools in this field is ChatGPT. Cut to a close-up shot of ChatGPT's website. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI that is capable of generating human-like responses to natural language inputs. Cut to a shot of a person typing a message to ChatGPT on their computer. With ChatGPT, you can have a conversation with a virtual assistant or chatbot that understands your questions and provides relevant responses in real time. Cut to a shot of a virtual assistant responding to a user's question. But what sets ChatGPT apart from other language models is its ability to generate natural and coherent responses, thanks to its extensive training on vast amounts of text data. Cut to a shot of a person speaking to a virtual assistant on their phone. ChatGPT is being used by businesses and developers to create chatbots and virtual assistants that can provide customer support, answer questions, and perform tasks automatically. Cut to a shot of a business owner using ChatGPT to automate their customer support. This not only saves time and resources but also enhances the customer experience by providing personalized and prompt responses. Cut to a shot of a developer working on a chatbot. Developers can also use ChatGPT to create chatbots that can understand and respond to user queries in a variety of contexts, from finance and healthcare to education and entertainment. Cut to a shot of a virtual assistant scheduling a meeting. With ChatGPT, virtual assistants can even perform tasks like scheduling meetings, setting reminders, and sending emails, making it an essential tool for productivity and efficiency. Cut to a shot of a person using ChatGPT on their computer. So if you're looking to develop a chatbot or virtual assistant that can communicate with humans naturally and efficiently, or if you want to automate your business's customer support, ChatGPT is the perfect tool for the job. Closing shot of the ChatGPT logo. Try ChatGPT today and see how it can transform the way you communicate with your customers and users. Thank you so much for watching my video. If this video helped you, then please subscribe my channel.